What's up YouTube, it's me again with another video. It's been a long time since I haven't created these type of cooking videos before, so I'm back. So Merry Christmas guys and a Happy New Year. In this tutorial I'm gonna be cooking like cheese sticks. So first thing that you need is like cut cheese. So this is already cut by a knife already. So for additional you can use a knife or something like that. And you need some of these small wrappers. Or I think like these flour wrappers which you can wrap over like the cheese. Or optional you can place ham if you like ham and cheese. If you don't like those type of big chunks of this cheese stick, you can definitely thin it out like cutting on the side over here. So before you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and please get notified whenever I upload a new video guys. Click on the bell icon. So yeah, let's go on with the cooking, shall we? Okay, the first thing that you need to do is to like place your like molo wrapper like this. Doesn't matter if it's a board like this. I forgot to name this at the beginning. A board or a plate does not matter. And I also forgot something. You also need water for this tutorial. Eat first. Oh, sorry, the beginning guys. I forgot to place the water. Now we're gonna be placing this, I think, on the center right over here. Let's see. This, using a tripod and a Sony camera. Now fold it like this to the point where it's gonna be like here. Now what you're gonna do is to fold it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like into the 4 point and fold it like this. And the next step is to dip it with water like this. Now after that you do this 5, 6, 7 until it pastes something like this. So what you want to do is to repeat the rest of this cheese sticks. So I'm gonna skip this right now. Once you're done, it should look like this. The rest I just place in the table. In the molo wrapper. So now we're gonna turn on our stove. And about like a high heat. I think low heat so that it can be cooked inside. And put some oil. I think that should be enough right now. And you should wait about a few minutes until the oil is heated. So I'll be right back again. After a while, your oil should heat up. So let's try to put this right now. This. Don't worry, I'm fine. Look like, sorry, just put it high heat. Remove this. Looks something like this. Oh, I just forgot about the tongs at the beginning. Sorry about that. See, look at this. Wait. I think you should cook this, I think 5 to like 8 minutes. So see, I'm just really cooking this to low heat. That's gonna be cooked at the inside. Look at this. So delicious. And after a while you should really have to flip it, or else this may actually overcook on one side. Just a reminder. Right. So I'll be right back for just like 5 to like 8 minutes because this is still cooking. This will cook like a long time. Okay, after 5 to 8 minutes, it should look like this. Golden brown. Why I have to return this out. I think this is enough already. Wait. Now what you're gonna do is to grab a plate and a like. While you should place like this. Oh, to remove oil. Oh! Oh my gosh! It just popped. What an epic fail! Oh my gosh! The first time I saw it pop. Look at this. What the man? It just popped. My gosh. After you're done, it should look like this. I just cleaned the mess with this one. So for additional, you can also add the dip. For my dip, you can use like Heinz tomato ketchup. Or you can actually make your homemade dip by using like tomato sauce, like and mustard. Like you can make your homemade ones from like herbs, like vegetables, something like that. I forgot. Now I'm gonna be placing like this. Slow. This is for a dip. Or you can add some like cheese powder, sour cream powder, or barbecue powder if you want. And there you have it. That's how I make the cheese stick. Cheers. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. It's crunchy.